How to export and share your Roblox game. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way out to share your game as a Roblox creator, you would have to first open the Roblox Studio. First of all, Roblox Studio should load the game that you want to export. Make sure you have completed all the development work and tested your game thoroughly. Before exporting, make sure that your game is saved. Go to the File menu and click Save As to create a backup copy. It's always good to have a saved version before you export. Once exported, you will have to select the option of Publish to Roblox. This will open the publishing settings where you can get the game's title and all that, and after that, you have to choose your privacy settings. Now that you have published, get the game link. It is under My Creations and click on it. Copy the URL from the address bar and that's your game link. Now you can share and promote wherever you like to. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.